So far, it seems quiet on our first mission.
A little too quiet, I think.
Hold on, I think I just caught something. Did you hear that?
Got him. I'm on it.
Be careful out there, kid. The suspect could be armed and dangerous.
Oh, now you tell me. Thanks for the intel. I found him. I'm in pursuit.
Well, what do we have here? Looks like I got company. That's rude. I didn't invite company.
We gotta stop him. If only we could disable his ride somehow.
Kid, use the rocket launchers!
Okay, locked on target. Fire 1. Fire 2.
Nice try, fella, but you're gonna have to try again if you want to catch me.
What now, IQ?
Initialize Gatling cannon!
Does it have real bullets?
No, not the real bullets, but real BB pellets on automatic fire. Try to aim them at his rear tire.
Okay, target lock on. Fire!
Kid, he's leading you out of the city limits and police are hot on your tail.
A drawbridge is coming. He's gonna jump it. I think I can make it too.
Don't try it, kid. It's too dangerous.
Oh no, I'm not gonna make it.
Kid, hold the yellow lever on your left.
Okay, here goes nothing. Wow, you've pretty much thought of everything.
I tried to calculate all foreseeable possibilities.
Mind blown. I almost had him too.
That's enough for tonight, kid. Let's head back to headquarters.
Roger that.